How to add cool widgets to iPhone home screen. Hi everyone, where we help you make the most of your technology. In this video, we are going to show you how to add some cool widgets to your iPhone home screen. Widgets are a great way to personalize your phone and get quick access to your favorite apps or information. So, let's get started. Step 1. Swipe right to access your Today view. The first thing you'll need to do is swipe right on your iPhone home screen to access your Today view. This is where you will find all your current widgets and be able to add new ones. Step 2. Tap Edit at the bottom of the screen. Once you're in your Today view, scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap Edit. This will allow you to customize your widgets and add new ones. Step 3. Choose a widget to add. Now it's time to choose which widget you want to add. You will see a list of all the available widgets, including one for weather, news, photos, and more. Scroll through the option and tap on the one you want to add. For your information, on this video, I'm using third-party application named Widgets, and you can download it on your App Store. You can open to the App Store, then you click on the searching bar and type Widgets. Then you can download it. After you download it, for making a widget, you can open the application. And you can customize your widget in a cool way by tapping the Leave widget. For example, on this case, I'm going to pick a photo and calendar, and then I'm going to customize this calendar. You also can pick the size that you want, like small, medium, and large size. And I'm pick medium one. And I'm going to tap to the Add Widget button. And I can edit this picture, this widget, on gallery. And yep, the picture that you want to choose, or you can customize it with your own picture. For example, I'm take it from my phone gallery and then tap checklist. And you can tap to the Save widget and you can select My widget. And then you can pick the medium size and pick the one that you selected before. And the next step, we are going to add the widget that we made before. And then you can searching the application Widget and tap it, pick the medium size, and then click the Add Widget. And then tap the bottom one and tap the bottom pick, yeah. Then choose the widget that we made before and boom, we got it. And step 4, customize your widget. Once you selected your widget, you can customize it to your liking. Some widgets will allow you to choose the size or color, while others will give you option to add specific apps or information. Step 5, add the widget to your home screen. Finally, when you're happy with your widget setting, tap Add Widget. You will be taken back to your home screen where you can move the widget around to any location you like. And there you have it. Adding cool widget to your iPhone home screen is super easy and a great way to personalize your device. Additionally, there are a few tips and tricks you can use to make the most out of your iPhone widgets. First, 1. Prioritize the widget you use the most. When adding new widget to your home screen, it's important to prioritize the ones you use the most. This will help keep your home screen clutter-free and make it easier to access the information you need quickly. 2. Use widget stacks. Widget stacks are a great way to save space on your home screen while still having access to multiple widgets. To create a widget stack, simply drag and drop one widget on top of another. You can swipe up and down to cycle through the different widgets in the stack. 3. Try out different widget sizes. Not all widgets are the same size, and some may look better in certain locations on your home screen. Experiment with different widget size to find the perfect fit for your layout. 4. Keep your widgets up to date. Make sure to regularly check for updates to your widgets, as they may add new features or fix any bugs. You can do this by tapping on the widgets and selecting Edit Widget. By following these tips and tricks, you will be able to take full advantages of the latest iPhone widgets and make your home screen look and function exactly how you want it to. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any additional tips or tricks for using iPhone widgets, let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe our channel Otatex Phone for more tech-related content. See you next time!